Hey everyone, it's Friday, August 22nd, 2005, and the ticker is IXHL. IXHL. The channel here on TikTok is Pray Trade Repeat. My YouTube is Brian Kelty, my name. And it is 9:52 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, so it's like almost 1 o'clock in the East Coast. And we had the announcement of the 20 million share buyback by IXHL today in Connect Health. Thank you, Joel Latham. And now I want to talk about the chart. So when I trade stocks, especially IXHL, I don't listen to stock twits and what people are saying. I only read the SEC Edgar filings, right? So if you want to be a good trader, and again, this is not financial advice, and I am a beginner trader. I only want to discuss this stuff with everyone to get everyone else's opinion and learn more, not because I think I know what I'm doing or I'm telling you what to do. But I will say this: there's a lot of noise in the world, in life, etc., and we've got to minimize the noise and focus. And the easiest way to focus is to read the SEC filings completely. Look for any PR announcements and make sure you're refreshing them on a daily basis. SEC Edgar search, if you put that into Google, it'll come up with a box. You put IXHL in there or any stock that you're searching, and it will give you the latest SEC filings. And you should, if you have money invested in a stock, you should put that. You should have that screen on all the time and refresh it all the time. Again, so I don't listen to stock twits. I only focus on the SEC Edgar page. I do go on to like places like stock twits and Twitter, and because you do get gems from people that are really smart or have been trading for like 20 years, and they like somebody's, this guy saved my butt last night on Twitter when he broke down the warrants being exercised on another stock, TNFA, that I jumped in thinking I was going to be a millionaire by buying a lot of shares really cheap. And what ended up happening was we were in a situation where this company was actually breaking the law, and they had all these warrants they were executing and exercising, and they didn't announce it properly or tell anyone exactly how they were going to change them, and that caused that stock to like just crater from like under 10 cents to like 6 cents, and a lot of people lost a lot of money. And this guy at the end of the night explained that the way the warrants worked and how they illegally did not omit how they were executing these warrants. So anyway, so let's talk about that stock. Let's talk about IXHL. It's a great day. Hooray! Everybody's happy. It's an amazing day. One of the most bullish things you can hear is that a company is doing a $20 million buyback. And I was very excited this morning. I posted a video about it, especially because that hedged my losses in the stupid mistake that I made, right? In the other stock. So I didn't really make any money today, but I didn't lose any money today. You guys have all made some money, and your accounts are all green. I'm really proud of you. I'm happy for everyone. Let's talk about the chart right now. I'm not looking at it because I'm driving. I'm on my way to Fox Studios to do a fitting, to be on a movie, I think it is, today. I'm usually on movies or TV shows. I always play a cop or a detective or an FBI agent or a prison guard. You've probably seen me before in movies. I show up for like 3 seconds and then I'm gone. Anyway, again, let's look at, so let me focus. We're going to focus, minimize the noise, focus. We're going to focus on IXHL. Today's Friday, and what we're going to focus on is the chart right now. So what we saw is we saw the announcement. We saw the stock surge to about 65 cents. And then we saw the shorts come into the party, and the shorts are like They're like, yeah, we're here. And they're knocking shit over and they're ruining everyone's day, right? And you're like, great, the fucking shorts are here. Wonderful. Excellent. Who invited the shorts, you know? And they're just ruining our day right now, right? So what I'm seeing on level 2 before I left the house and doing some technical analysis is I'm seeing that support is around 0.5450 or a little lower, you know, 0.53, I think was the low of the regular market hours, right? Somewhere around that. I'm seeing 0.60, 60 cents as the, I might have this backwards. As basically I'm seeing 60 cents. If we bust through 60 cents again, that for me is a sign to buy more shares, and I'm going to buy more shares. If we break 53 cents and we start heading below 53 cents, we're back to holding again. I'm not going to add. I'm just going to hold my shares. But so that I just wanted to put that out there today. If you're looking at the chart and you're wondering what's going on, is you can see what's unfortunate is it looks like more manipulation, because when I look at the level 2 on Webull for IXHL, you could see that 59 cents is being dumped. There's somebody with 28,000 shares, then there's somebody with 17,000 shares, and they're selling it. As soon as it hits 59 cents, they're dumping shares. 59 cents dumping shares. So that tells me that somebody does not want it to go higher than 59 cents. They're trying to really keep it down. Somebody with a lot of shares is trying to keep it capped at 59 cents. So you have to think to yourself, okay, well, if this person or organization has enough shares to continually dump shares at 17,000, 29,000 at 59 cents, what the hell are they doing? Why not just dump all your shares at 59 cents? Because they're capping the price right now. What they're doing is they're trying to keep the momentum from exploding. So then you have to ask yourself, okay, the next question is, who and why would they do that? So it's either, I don't know. This is where I say, that's all I know, folks. And I ask you guys to answer the question. Who is doing that at 59 cents? Who has enough shares that every time the stock goes to 59 cents, they dump 20,000 shares. They dump 29,000. They dump 17,000. It goes down and it goes right back up and it tries to pop through 59 cents again and they dump another 20,000. Something is wrong. Somebody's doing this. Some organization is capping the momentum. Okay? So who is it? I don't really know a lot. I don't understand these situations and setups. I wish I knew a little bit more so I could explain it to you right now. I'm asking you guys for the answers. To me, in my opinion, it's short sellers. It's Citadel. Maybe Citadel doesn't have enough shares to continue to, I mean,